Hi everyone, my name is Megan. Welcome back, or welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today I am going to be doing a little something. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be following a makeup tutorial only by sound. I first saw Madeline Petsch, I don't know how to say her last name, the girl who plays Cheryl Blossom on Riverdale, do this, and when I saw the video I was like, wow, what better way to make a fool of myself than do the same thing and post it on the internet? So here we are. My dad, who knows absolutely nothing about makeup, no offense to him, found me a video that I can use, and we're gonna be following along. I have absolutely no clue what it is. I just know it's somewhat crazy, probably a bit abnormal. Maybe like a skull look or a clown look or something like that. But I can't even see what's playing. I have the video right here next to me on my laptop, but it's turned away from me so I can only hear the sound. So yeah, this is gonna be really interesting. I know absolutely nothing about makeup, just to preface this. But yeah. Let's get started. I tried skipping through the parts where she was saying what she's gonna do. So hopefully we don't accidentally run into her saying it, like saying what the look is. If that's the case, whatever. Also, she mentioned that we're using lashes. I do not know how to put on eyelashes. This is gonna be great. Okay, there we go. Primer is on.
Kind of like a cut crease a little bit, or not a cut crease, but I'm gonna do kind of like a wing shade just above my crease in a red color.
She's actually being really descriptive, which is good. Let's see, she's using a darker burgundy red. Do I know my colors? That is the question. I have the James Charles palette here, you guys. I'm thinking maybe I could do this one. Okay, y'all, I really couldn't find any burgundy reds, so I think we will have to go with that red from the James Charles palette. Okay, let's keep listening.
And I'm gonna blend it out with matte, and I'm just gonna do this just above the crease.
And, God, oh God, what did I get myself into? This is not gonna turn out good at all. Whatever, it's fine. Okay, let's see.
And then I'm just going in with a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to kind of like make sure there's no harsh line. I'm gonna use a little bit of...
Okay. It sounds like we're doing a red cut crease. I've absolutely never done a red cut crease. Oh my Lord, what did I get myself into? Jesus Christ. Okay, oh God. So I don't know, I just like this. And then she said something about a wing. This is gonna be absolutely disgusting. Oops. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. We've got one eye done. I know it looks okay on camera, but this really looks disgusting in person. Okay, you guys. Well. Oh my God, what am I doing? I'm literally my eyes are literally watering because I'm laughing. Oh my God. This is, what am I getting myself into? Okay, then she said she took a little blending brush. Let's see, we got that's like a cut crease, right? Okay, let's see. She got a little blending brush and she said she blended it out. She said no harsh lines. I don't think I've ever said this on YouTube, but I used to be like really into makeup. So this is like, are you happy, 7th grade Megan? Look at what you're making me do. With this red, I'm thinking she wants like, we're doing like a blood eye or something like that. Maybe like a zombie? I don't know. I don't know, man. Okay. She said she's deepening it with Muse. I have absolutely no clue what color that is supposed to be. And she said hers came off more pinky. There's like not a really blood red shade in here. I guess I'll just, should I add a bit of brown? Let's try it. I'm gonna put just a teeny bit of brown. I just feel like a kid stealing her mom's makeup and like doing something absolutely horrible with it. So that's really fun. Let me just add some more shade, you guys. Oh my god. What am I doing? Literally. Okay. We're gonna just continue with the video.
Like a smoky liner to go with. So I'm gonna start out with the black, which is called Mafia, and then I'm gonna use the Muse shade again to kind of smoke it out, and then a little bit of Mad right at the top of the liner.
She was actually being pretty descriptive, which is good. So it sounds like we're doing a black liner, but it's not a super heavy black liner, and it meshes into the red. Let's see, I'm going in with this little like angled brush, and I'm just gonna go into the black on the James Charles palette. Oh my god, guys, I suck at liners, so this will be interesting. Let's see. That is not working. Okay, well, what am I doing? I'm literally gonna start crying. Okay, well, it's fine. Okay, I'm smoking it out with the red. Okay, the issue is this is never gonna get any better. I just can't really do makeup properly. Okay, now we're coming to lashes, is what she said. That's nerve-wracking. Let's see.
The thing that I really love about these styles, I'm going to show you each style literally in a second.
Okay. She proceeded to talk about how to put on lashes for like 4 minutes, which I'm not complaining about because I actually do need that tutorial. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies. I don't even know how to put on lashes, you guys. All right. It's on. Not well, but it's on. Alrighty, guys. Well, they look absolutely horrible in person, but on camera they actually look okay. So they're on. I guess that's all that matters. Okay, sounds like we need to do foundation. So I'm going to quickly do that.
A little bit. I'm only going to do a tiny bit of highlight because we are going to be adding the lines to the face, so we don't want to add too much kind of shimmer there.
She said contour and highlight, but then she said add lines to the face. So I'm thinking we're doing one of those clown looks where it has like the lines here, you know what I mean? I think that's what we're doing, which is good because now I know what we're doing and that'll be helpful. I know I need all the help I can get. Okay, I'm gonna quickly go do the rest of my face. Okay, well, then she said she's going in with the same colors for the under eye. So I guess we're like smoking it out a little bit on the bottom. Really, the main thing that I don't like about this look so far is the lashes. Okay, it's not too bad. It's not too bad.
This part, which is like the little red nose and the lip. I picked out 2 lip liners by MAC. So I've got Burgundy, which is like a darker red, and Cherry.
Okay, guys, we're definitely a clown because she just said the little red nose and the lip. Definitely a clown.
So I'm going to use Cherry to outline the lips and also do the lines going up towards the eyes, and then I'm going to darken the lips with Burgundy.
She's talking about the lines, and at first I thought she wasn't connecting them, but it sounds like she's connecting it like here and then up through here, like that. I have no clue, you guys. Okay, whatever, we're just gonna try it. I don't know, I guess I should just go in and do the lines. I'm kind of afraid that she's doing like a mouth right here that's drawn out and then the lines here. I don't know if she's connecting it or not. Oh God, okay, well, I guess there's only one way to find out, and that is to do it. So, here we go. Oh God, here we go. Oh God, oh God, oh God. What am I doing? Oh Lord. Okay. Okay. I look like an absolute psycho. Looks like someone took like 2 fingers with the knives on them and just carved out my face. Let's see, I'm gonna do the same thing to my lips. I definitely need to strengthen the lines a bit more, but I'm gonna do the lips first and then do the lines. Okay, I feel like the lips look pretty good. Now I just need to like do something with the lines. I don't know if this is Pennywise makeup or not, and I've never seen It, the movie, so I don't know how thick to make these lines. I feel like I should stay on the thinner side, but I put a bunch of lipstick on this brush from this, so I don't know, I think we'll just do that. This is interesting, to say the least. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that red shadow again and try to like clean this up. It's a bit messy, just looking at it. Well, I don't know how much I should blend this out, you guys. I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with this red lipstick again to make it like a little bit more red in certain places, which could be my downfall. I'm just looking at myself in my viewfinder on my phone and God, whose idea was this again? It was mine, still. I mean, this isn't a bad look. It just looks a little funny. Oh, I gotta do the eye. I gotta do the nose, you guys. Okay, let's see. I think I'll just like, is his nose, I think his nose is like a triangle, right? It's like, in Pennywise at least, it's like a triangle. I'm pretty sure we're doing Pennywise, which is why I'm doing this. I think it's like a triangle, like this. Okay. That nose did not help. I feel like this nose just makes it look worse. Now I look like a cat clown. Well, it's something, that's for sure. Oh my God, you guys, I look insane. This nose, like, I shouldn't have put it like that, but I don't know. I don't even know what we're going for, so this may be what she wants me to do. Should I blend out the lines, you guys? I don't even know what she keeps adding, like, she says she's adding, like, color to the middle. So, oh, I forgot I have this teeny brush. Okay, you know what we'll do? I'm gonna put, like, I'm gonna blend it out just ever so slightly, and then I'll go in with my teeny tiny brush and add a bit of definition. You know what? I actually think this was a good move. I think the blending makes it look a bit better. It looks less like a 6th grader did this and more like someone my age is actually twirling. Oh no. That was not a good idea. Oh God, you guys, I just made it like 10 times worse. Those lines are not straight. Okay. Oh no. Maybe some blending will save this? Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna unpause. Let's see what she has to say next.
Okay, and then I'm just gonna add a little red nose as well, just to finish off. I almost forgot that then, very nearly. So I'm gonna use the same kind of like cherry lip liner, and then maybe put a little bit of the red eyeshadow on top as well. Just kind of gonna do like a little circle nose, you know? And then yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you wanna get this.
Oh shoot. So I went ahead and did the nose, you guys, but she just explained it's supposed to be a circle nose. Oh well. That's fine. I do actually look kind of cool though. This looks pretty good. And with this red shirt and my red hair, like, we've got a nice theme going here. But I do look like I'm about to kill someone. Oh God. Okay guys, it sounds like she's done. I can't believe we're done. Now I gotta see what this actually is supposed to be. Let's see, ready? I'm gonna get my laptop. No! Oh God, I did not get this. Oh boy. I mean, it was kind of close. Oh, damn. This looks nothing like hers. I honestly, you know, we got like similar color schemes, which is good. At least I got the red. I didn't get the squiggles on this outer part here. And my eyes look completely different than hers. I just did like a red eye, as you can tell, where she did like a nice cut crease with a line. With a liner. I did not get that. Well, you know, and the nose is a bit off. But considering the circumstances, I think I did really good. Okay, I think I did really good. I know there are some makeup artists who are like blind and they can't see what they're doing. And oh my god, this does not compare at all, but I have so much respect for you. Like, that is absolutely insane. This is a lot different because I could see what I was doing to my face, but wow, that is like absolutely insane that they can do that. Okay, I did some pigtails to try to make it a little bit more clowny. Well, you know, it's something. Oh my gosh. I feel like the pigtails add a little bit, but then I start looking like the Joker because of my red hair. Or not the Joker.
You know, the Joker's sidekick. I forget what her name is. I'm sorry, I've never seen that movie before. Harley Quinn. I start looking like Harley Quinn.
But I feel like I did pretty good, you guys. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Now I just want to go like this all day because of my hair. Yeah, I feel like I definitely nailed this. I did a lot better than I was expecting. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun filming this video, even though it was quite a challenge. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. I really enjoyed this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!